Stay tuned at the end of the video for some of my stills that I'm going to post from pictures so you can see what some of those other steps are and what you might need to do, like reset your router and things like that at the end. Okay? Enjoy the video. Hey guys, thank you for tuning in and watching my video. And just to let you know, today we're going to be working on that control panel right there. The camera is offline and I can't get my camera back on. So we're going to see what we need to do to get this corrected. So I'm going to go to the panel and we'll start there. All right, so this is your control panel. You're going to start with the home key. You press that. You get these three dots, so press those. Then you're going to go to General. Okay, press that. Then it's going to ask you for your code. I'm not going to tell you my code. Okay, so we're in, boom. Then you're going to scroll up. First thing you're going to do is you're going to reboot that panel. So try the reboot process. I've already done this. This did not fix mine. So I'm going to go out to my camera. This is the screen I'm seeing on here. I'll put a still up for what it looks like on your, there, it says not available. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go out to the garage and we're going to find where it's plugged in to make sure it has power. Okay, so this is where my camera is plugged in. You can see the cord runs along there, then it pops out on the wall over there, and that's where the camera's mounted, on the other side of the wall. But we're going to come back here, and I have a Ethernet or Wi-Fi bridge, so my camera is plugged into that. A lot of people might not be using this, but my Wi-Fi was so far from my camera, we had to install this. Otherwise, you just unplug it from your plug. Your camera should be plugged right into a power source. Make sure it's plugged in. If rebooting the panel didn't work, you're gonna simply unplug this or take it out of the socket there, and you can do that for about 30 seconds. So we'll leave that alone for a little bit and we'll come back. Okay, so I waited 30 seconds. I plugged it back in. The lights are coming on. So the camera light's on, the power light's on, and we're going to go back and we're going to check that panel out. Okay, I'll show you my camera setup here. So the camera's right there. So that is the camera we're working on. Okay, so that did not correct my problem. So what I did was I pushed this reset button for about 5 seconds, and then these other lights started coming on. So I only had the camera and the power light on. I went in, checked my panel, didn't fix it, came back out here, held the reset button for 5 seconds, and it's flashing now, so maybe it's starting to work up. So I'm gonna go check the panel again. Okay, so it didn't work. So I'm gonna start back over from the very first step, which is reboot the panel, because it was several days ago that I did this. So I'm gonna do this now. And then I'm going to go back and restart the camera and see if doing them in the same day does anything different. This could take up to 5 to 10 minutes. Well, and there you have it. I parked this car outside to work on this project today, so I could see the camera's working. Image from 56 seconds ago. So that seemed to do the trick. I'm in the camera. All right, well, that was a successful one with no phone call to Vivint and no extra parts ordered or anything. So that was a very successful reinstallation of my camera. So like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and thank you for watching my video.